channel. We don't know where the Paw Patrol are. Where could they be? Are they hiding in the Toys R Us? Or could they be hiding in the Chuck E. Cheese box fort? Who can we have to help us? There's no one around. Who's gonna help us? Oh, hey, Gorilla. Hey, can you help us find the Paw Patrol? Oh, great. Okay, listen. They're missing. They have to be somewhere in one of these box forts. Oh, perfect. Gorilla, can you help us find Marshall first? You don't know what he looks like? Well, let me tell you. He's white, and he works with fire trucks, so he has red on him too. Okay, you're looking for a white dog with red. Okay, Gorilla, what do you see? Oh, Gorilla! It's no time to play. Gorilla, where could he be? Do you see Marshall? Where is he? Gorilla, what is that? Is that a tomato? Gorilla, that's not Marshall. Marshall's a dog. Okay, Gorilla, keep sniffing. Maybe you can smell him. Sniff away. No, Gorilla, that's an S in Toys R Us. Okay, use your sniffer. Come on, Gorilla. Oh, do you smell something? What do you smell? Wait, a Mickey Mouse bag? Gorilla, that's a mouse, not a dog. Okay, what do you see? Oh, hello, is anyone home? Hello? Oh, you're gonna go inside, Gorilla? Okay. What do you see, Gorilla? Oh, look, you found Marshall. There's Marshall. Great job, Gorilla. So strong. Okay, guess what? We have 2 more for you to find. Okay, the next one we need you to find is Sky. Sky has golden fur and she's pink. Just like you. Okay, Gorilla, do you know where Sky is? Where do you think? Are you sniffing her out? Where do you see her? Oh, you think she's in the Chuck E. Cheese's? Okay, Gorilla, let us know if you find anything. Gorilla! There's something in there? Okay, we're coming in. We're coming in. What is it, Gorilla? What do you see? Wait, Gorilla? That's not Sky. That's a baby. Although she is pink. Where's Sky? Sky's a dog. Where? A dog? You know where it is? Okay. Okay, Gorilla. Wait, do you sniff something? What is it? What's in the box, Gorilla? Wait, what is it? Gorilla, that's not a dog, that's a cat. Gorilla, where's Sky? Remember, she's a puppy and she's pink. Okay, think, Gorilla, think. Where could Sky be? Wait, Gorilla, what's that in your hands? Gorilla, it's Sky, you found her. You found Sky. She was hiding underneath this slide. Silly puppy. Okay, Gorilla, you found Marshall. You found Sky. Now the only one left to find is Chase. Do you know what Chase looks like? No? Chase is brown and he's blue because he is like a policeman. Have you seen any police dogs around here? You have? You saw one? Where did you see him? Okay, you're gonna go in there and look? Okay, he's going into the Chuck E. Cheese's. Hey, people at home, do you like to play at Chuck E. Cheese's? It's so much fun. Wow, Gorilla, what is it? Oh, there's something inside? Okay, let's go through here, everyone. Ready? We're gonna go through here into the Chuck E. Cheese. We're coming, Gorilla. Oh, Gorilla, you found him. You found him. You found... Wait, that's not Chase, Gorilla. That's Catboy. I mean, he is blue, just like Chase, but he's definitely not a dog. He's a person. Oh, silly Gorilla, come on. We still have to find Chase. Do you smell him? Where do you smell him, Gorilla? He's down? Where? Show me. Okay, Gorilla, we just found Catboy. Now we have to find Chase. Where's Chase, Gorilla? Wait, Gorilla, what are you doing? That's a book. That's not Chase. Okay, where is Chase? Remember, he's a brown dog. who wears a police uniform. Where is he? Do you smell him? Do you smell him with your sniffer? Where? Where is he, Gorilla? You can find him? Oh, do you sniff something? Oh, is there something in the box? Gorilla, what's in there? Let's see inside. What? Gorilla? Gorilla? No, those are just blue balls, Gorilla. That's not Chase. You silly pink gorilla. Now where's Chase? He's a dog, not a ball, not a PJ Masks, not a book. Where is he? You sniff him? All right, Gorilla, you can find him. I believe in you. Okay, where is he? Keep using that nose. What is it? Is there something inside? Does it smell like a Paw Patrol? Is Chase on the case? What is it? Look, Gorilla, you found him! You found Chase from the Paw Patrol! You found all of our Paw Patrol pups! All right, Chase, you sit there. You did such a good job, Gorilla. You found all of our friends. Wait, Gorilla, do you smell something? Something else? You smell another friend? Where? Where? Inside the Toys R Us? Is there someone in here? Wait! Gorilla! That's not a Paw Patrol friend. That's the assistant. Hey, assistant. Gorilla, you did a great job. You found the assistant as well as all of our Paw Patrol friends. Did you have fun? Good. Well, thanks for playing with us, Gorilla. Bye. Okay, I've never really driven one of these things before. Whoa, how does it work?
Yeah! All right, you guys. Great work. Woohoo! We did it. We successfully saved all the kittens from the trees. Whoa! That was so totally wicked! That was the coolest thing I've ever seen! And when Rebel did that, and then when Sky did this, and you guys saved the day! That's so awesome! Whoa, you guys are so cool! Thanks, Gecko. Hey, so I was wondering, can I please join the Paw Patrol? Please, 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 please? Huh? Yeah, I would love to go on missions with you guys and save the day and, maybe I could be an actual member of the Paw Patrol. I think that's a great idea. It could be a whole lot of fun. But first, there's a couple of things you have to do before you become a member of the Paw Patrol. Ooh, like what? First, you're gonna need a Paw Patrol vest and hat. Of course! A Paw Patrol super suit. Even Everest, Rocky, and Sky are wearing their vests and helmets. They all have different colors. And because I'm a police pup, I wear blue. And I wear yellow because I love construction. And a lot of the big diggers are yellow, just like me. So cool! I can't wait. Where do I start? This way, follow me to our Paw Patrol changer. Okay, cool. Okay, Gecko, so check this out. It's our Paw Patrol changer. Aw, sweet. It's kind of like our PJ Masks headquarters transforming tower. So all I do is hop in and watch the magic happen. Whoa, you're not in your vest and hat anymore. Yeah, that's how I change back and forth. Okay, now you try. Okay, here I go. Whoa! Oh, sweet, it worked. So, how do I look? Hey, wait a minute. It's not green. And it's pink with hearts. And this is just a straw hat. Hey, what happened? Uh-oh. Well, technically, you do have now a vest and a hat. So, step 1, done. I don't know about this. I feel pretty silly. But I really want to be a Paw Patrol member.
Okay, let's get back.
Well, at least I'm wearing a vest and a hat. It's not quite like the Paw Patrol, but hey, I'll make it work. Okay, what's next to become a member of the Paw Patrol? Second, you need to figure out what skills you have. That way, you can help the team on missions. Skills? Like what? Woof, woof. When Chase is on the case, I use my paws to uphold the laws, and I help shield people from danger. And I even have things like a siren and a megaphone to help lead the way. Whoa! Woof, woof. I'm all fired up. I've got a big fire truck hose and a super sniffer nose to help save the day. Hey, here's a test. Let's see if your skill is super sniffing. Do you think you could find our puppy dog pal friend Bingo with your super sniffer nose? Roof, roof. Roof, roof. Of course. Okay, Gecko's got this. That's gonna be my catchphrase. Okay, let's go. Can't seem to find Bingo with my nose. All I can smell are tacos. Huh? Rubble. Whoopsie. My bad. Woof, woof. Don't worry, Gecko. Maybe you're not a fire dog. But I'm sure we'll figure out what skill you can add to our team. Ooh, I know. Maybe he's a pilot pup, like me. I'm Sky, and I love to fly. Come on, Gecko, let's take to the sky. Woohoo! Oh, wait, I don't know about this. Woohoo! Incoming! Grab on! Whoa, I don't know about this. Woohoo! Don't you just love the view from up here? I'm actually a little bit afraid of heights. Okay, going down. Whoa! Maybe he's not a pilot pup after all. Uh-oh, sorry guys. I'm just a little bit afraid of heights. Woof, woof. That's okay. Don't worry, Gecko. We'll figure this out. Oh, I know. Whoa! Whoa! Woof, woof. I'm Rubble on the double, and I dig digging, and have lots of cool tools, like my bulldozer. Vroom, vroom. Hey, maybe you could be a construction pup like me. Vroom, vroom. Roof, roof. Okay, Gecko, just drive over my bulldozer and move this rock. Okay, I've never really driven one of these things before. Whoa, how does it work? Oof. Aw, man, it's hopeless. I'm not a construction pup or a fire pup or a pilot pup or a police pup. Maybe I'm just not supposed to be on the Paw Patrol. Don't be silly, Gecko. Hey, I have an idea. What do you do when you're with the PJ Masks? Oh, when I'm with my team, I use things like Gecko camouflage. Like this, watch. Whoa, where did Gecko go? Wow, that was super cool. Wow, so he just disappeared? Now that is a cool skill. Roof, roof. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I'm right here. Whoa, cool. Yeah, I love my Gecko camouflage. I use it all the time, especially when I sneak around Romeo when he's trying to get into trouble, and I catch him before he does. Come to think of it, I kind of missed the PJ Masks team. I'm all fired up because I have a great idea. Huh? What is it, Marshall? We almost forgot the third thing you need to do to be a part of the Paw Patrol. Aw, man, what is it? It's to work hard, try your best, and be a great friend. And you passed with flying colors on that one. Roof, roof. Wow, I say he's an honorary Paw Patrol member for sure. Awesome! Woohoo! Aw, thanks you guys. Roof, roof. You can join us on a mission anytime. Except I'm not gonna let you drive the dozer. You're gonna need some more practice on that one. Roof, 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 roof.
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there! You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch! Bye!